Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. We continue unboxing 5 kits from Michael's store that I purchased a few days ago. This is another kit. The name is Cobblestone Bridge, intermediate level. It's a full drill diamond painting kit featuring round drills. The original price was $42. I purchased it for $21.99, something like this. That's how the diamond painting looks inside. So, as always, we will start with the canvas as I anticipated. This size is way too small for the design like this. 40 by 50 centimeters is way too small for the design with so many details, so the canvas looks kind of pixelated. I really hope when I diamond paint it, it will look better. It will look, the resolution will be of the design would turn better than on the canvas. But that's why I was kind of debating on whether to buy this or not, because of the size. When I saw it, I knew from the very beginning that it might be too pixelated. But since it was on sale, I decided to give it a try. Oh well. So, of all Diamond Box kits that I purchased so far, this one looks the most pixelated. Now, let's look at the canvas. The same woven polyester, the fabric one. The symbol clarity is always terrific. Pour the glue in it, and again the extension of the design, as you see over here. Like this area is not diamond painted, and I like this extension, makes the picture looks fuller. And it's not the first one that features this the extension. Now, the kit contains 33 colors, and as always, there are 2 legends on both sides, on the right bottom and top left. Thomas Kincaid's design. Well, how could I say no to Thomas Kincaid? I love this artist so much. Too bad he passed away. Now, so this is canvas-wise. Yeah, it does look pixelated. I wish they made it at least 40 by 60. It would be at least a bit better. Okay, I'll diamond paint it and we will see if it's gonna look different from the original canvas. Usually Diamond Dots is famous for their completed kits looking much more detailed than their preview pictures. Oh well, we'll see. Although I really doubt with this one. Now, let's look at the drills. I already unboxed everything for my Russian channel. Yeah, I have like 3 channels, 2 in Russian, 1 in English. Okay, now, as you see, in general, the colors are not that bright, but if you look at them individually, they are. I guess this will go over here for the plants. What surprised me in this kit, and I might correct it, this kit features only round resin drills. That's it. I would expect to have AB diamonds, but no, there are only resin drills. I might actually replace this color with AB diamonds. I purchased it in Joann's. It's water. I think it will look it will fit the design. It will look kind of like wet with AB diamonds. But you know, unfortunately, our Joann's is running out of Diamond Dots drills that are sold individually. I went to purchase white AB diamonds for my Angel on the Deer kit. I just uploaded a video review. Oh my god, guys, oh my god, it's such a beautiful kit. It turned out terrific. I knew it will come out pretty good, but no, it exceeded all my expectations. And let me show it to you very quickly. Here it is, this gorgeous design. If you haven't watched my video review about it, watch it. Oh my god, it also features special shape drills. So in any case, I was running out of these AB diamonds. I went to Joann's. Oh my god, they don't have anything. I don't know when they're gonna supply their store with more, but yeah. They do not have any more left. I guess a lot of people are into diamond painting now here in DC area. Here's my stash. I have like 2 more light blue, like the color I just showed you. I don't have it in here. It's somewhere downstairs. I don't want to go there to pick it up. But well, maybe it was me who purchased all their all their supply. Actually, here they are. One is like brighter. The other one is a little bit darker. But yeah, what I'm going to do, I will replace these drills with this. I also have pink ones, but these are too like more orangey than pink. No, I guess this is the only one that I'm going to replace. Too bad they don't have... I wish they added AB diamonds. In this kit it would look better. So, well, I guess this is it. I don't know what else to say. I don't really understand when there are like a video unboxing for 20 minutes. It's pretty, you know, laconic. The canvas, material, size, number of drills, and the drills. So this is it for today. Unfortunately, my vacations is almost over. Today is the last day, and I won't be uploading videos every day anymore, and I won't finish, I guess, another kit till the next year, because I won't have that much of a time, so much time. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.